Join me as I put the best Bluetooth microphone kits to the test for moto vlogging. Let's see which one can handle the roar of the road. I've always been fascinated by the world of moto vlogging, and how a single accessory can elevate the entire experience. For me, it all comes down to one crucial element: sound quality. Let's face it, no matter how stunning the visuals are, if the audio isn't up to par, the video falls flat. That's why I've decided to put the best microphone kits for moto vlogging to the test and see which one reigns supreme. Over the past few weeks, I've been scouting out the most popular microphone kits designed specifically for moto vlogging, and I've got to say, the options are endless. But what really sets these kits apart? Is it the crisp audio, the wind resistance, or the sleek design? In this video, we're going to dive into the world of moto vlogging audio and find out. Today we're going to tackle one of the biggest challenges moto vloggers face: capturing high-quality audio on the move. Whether you're cruising down the highway or ripping through tight mountain roads, wind noise and engine sounds can quickly drown out your voice. It's frustrating to say the least, because no matter how great your visuals are, the audio can make or break the video. I've lost count of how many times I've watched an otherwise epic moto vlog, only to be turned off by subpar audio. Wind noise is a major culprit when it comes to ruining audio, and it's not just the speed that causes the problem. Even at low speeds the wind can pick up, and before you know it, your audio is filled with a constant whooshing sound. And then of course there's the engine noise. I mean, it's a motorcycle video. We expect to hear the engine, but not at the expense of the narrator's voice. It's a delicate balance, and the right microphone kit can make all the difference. For moto vloggers, finding the perfect balance between engine noise, wind noise, and voice clarity is an ongoing battle. We've all been there, stuck with mediocre audio, wondering if it's even possible to capture high-quality sound on the move. It's a challenge that requires patience, persistence, and the right gear. So what's the solution? In the next section, we're gonna dive into the microphone kits I've tested and see which ones rose to the challenge. I've got 5 microphone kits lined up, each with its unique features and selling points. From budget-friendly options to high-end systems, I've tried them all to see which one would come out on top. The first kit I tested was the Rode Wireless Go, a popular choice among moto vloggers. It's compact, easy to use, and promised to deliver high-quality audio even in the most demanding conditions. Next up was the Sennheiser MKE 440, a high-end option with a reputation for exceptional sound quality. Moving on, I tested the Boya Buy M1, a budget-friendly option that looked promising. I was curious to see how it would stack up against the more expensive options. The fourth kit I tried was the Envision wireless microphone, a sleek and modern system with a range of impressive features. Last but not least, I put the Komica CVM WS50C to the test, a unique option with a built-in windscreen and a reputation for excellent audio quality. Each of these kits perform differently in various environments, from slow city riding to high-speed highway cruising. I've got to say, some of the results were astonishing, while others were disappointing. In this section, I'll share my hands-on experience with each kit, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. The first thing I noticed when testing the Rode Wireless Go was how easy it was to use. The compact design made it effortless to mount and detach, and the audio quality was impressive at first. However, when I took it out for a spin on the highway, the wind noise became a major issue. The audio wasn't as crisp as I had hoped, and I found myself struggling to hear my own voice over the road noise. On the other hand, the Sennheiser MKE 440 blew me away with its exceptional sound quality. The audio was crystal clear, even when I was cruising at high speeds. The only downside was the bulkier design, which made it a bit more difficult to mount and handle. The Boya Buy M1 was a pleasant surprise. It performed much better than I anticipated, especially considering the price point. The audio quality was decent, and it handled wind noise reasonably well. However, it struggled with engine noise, and the overall build quality felt a bit flimsy. The Envision wireless microphone was another impressive performer, with fantastic audio quality and a sleek design. However, I did notice some issues with the battery life, which was shorter than I expected. Last but not least, the Komica CVM WS50C was a dark horse. It performed much better than I thought it would. The built-in windscreen made a huge difference, and the audio quality was exceptional. So, which microphone kit came out on top? In my opinion, the Sennheiser MKE 440 was the clear winner. The audio quality was unmatched, and it handled even the most demanding conditions with ease. Don't get me wrong, The other kits had their strengths, but when it comes to overall performance, the Sennheiser MKE 440 was the champion. In the world of moto vlogging, sound quality can make or break the entire experience. Today we've seen that even the most popular microphone kits can have their strengths and weaknesses, but it's crucial to choose the right one for your specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned moto vlogger or just starting out, I hope this video has given you valuable insights into the world of motorcycle audio. And maybe, just maybe, you found your new go-to microphone kit. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's your experience been with microphone kits for moto vlogging? Have you struggled with wind noise or engine sounds? What's your go-to kit for capturing high-quality audio on the move? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more content like this. We've got plenty of moto vlogging tips and tricks up our sleeves.